Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 2 and the member is Adlyanscyah ammar syauqi, Ghifari thufail arkan hidayat, and Syafiq Basmallah. In here we will discuss about algorithm kind of sorting method. The definition of algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of logical steps used to solve a problem. In short, a problem must be solved in a number of logical steps. One example is the activity of boiling water. The algorithm of course relates to activities in boiling water. Algorithm is also defined as a method that is expressed through a series and the instruction described for counting. Kind of sorting. Bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting system or algorithm that involves continuously exchanging data next to it until it is determined that no further improvement can be made in that iteration. If there are no updates, the data has been sorted. Bubble sorting gets its name from the fact that each key can gradually bubble into its proper position. A comparison-based sorting method is used in this sorting. Insertion sort. The data is tested one by one from second to last in the sorting system. According to the definition, if there is data that is smaller than the previous data, it is inserted to the correct place. Card sequence will be simpler to visualize. Place the card face down on the table and then look at them from left to right. If the right hand card is smaller than the left hand card, take the smaller card and put it in the appropriate spot. This method of sorting is based on the insert and keep sort scheme.
3. Merge sort. The merge method is commonly used in sorting file. The principle of the combining method is that until two sheets of data are already in sequence, the two data sets must be made into one table so that they are in an ordered state. This sorting uses a system based on division and control, divide and conquer method. For quick sort, the method of sorting in this type is start by scanning a storage list for the median value. This value called a pivot is then moved to one side of the list and items whose value is greater than the pedestal are moved to the other side. This sorting uses the same system as merge sort. 5. Selection sort. This method uses a method that is sorting is done by selection the later element and placing it in its position. That looking for the next ledge element and placing it in place, and so on. This sorting uses a priority-based system, priority quick sorting method. 6. Cell sort. The method is also called the diminishing increment method. This method was developed by Donald L. Sell in 1959. So it is often called the cell sort method. This method sorts the data by comparing on data with other data that has a certain distance, then exchange it if necessary. This sorting uses the diminishing increment sort method.
Yeah. The merge sort method is an advanced sorting method. The sum quick sort method. This method also uses the concept of Divide and conquer, which divides S data into two groups, namely S1 and S2 that does not interest or disjoin. The data sharing process is carried out in recursive until the data cannot be subdivided, or in other words, the data is subsection becomes single. After the data can't be shared anymore, the merging process between subsection by paying attention to the order of the data, ascending small to large or descending large to small. This merge process is done until all data is joined and sorted in the desired order. Complexity of the merge sort algorithm is O n log n. And now is definition of merge sort. Merge sort is a sort done by merge technique of two array into a new array. The merge sort algorithm divides the table into two equal large tables. Each table is recursively sorted and then recombined to form a sorted table. The basic implementation of the merge sort algorithm uses three tables to store element from table that have been divided by 2 and 1 to store the stored element. But this algorithm can also be done directly on two tables, thus saving the space or memory needed. And next is method merge sort. The first time the array was divided into two parts, 3, 9, 4, and 1, 5, 2. The two array are then sorted separately so that they become 3, 4, 9, and 1, 2, 5. A new array which as a merger of two array 1, while the values is the array 3, 4, 9, and 2, 5. And the value of 1 in the second array element has been moved to the new array. Next step is merging of each array into a new previously created array. And this is the example. And the last one is advantage of merge sort. Compared to other algorithms, merge sort is very efficient algorithm in its use because each list is always divided into smaller lists. Then merge again, so there is no need to do many comparisons. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Thank you for watching our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.